Restaurant-style egg curry, egg korma recipe, and a curry. Process. For sautéing egg in a pan, heat oil, add boiled eggs and fry it for a minute. Add degi red chili powder and cook it well for 2–3 minutes. Keep it aside for further use. For masala in a bowl. Add coriander seeds, green cardamom, black peppercorns and salt to taste. Transfer it to a mixer grinder jar and grind it to a fine powder. Keep it aside for further use. For paste in a bowl. Add tomatoes, ginger, green chilies, oil, tender coriander stems, curd, degi red chili powder and coriander powder. Transfer it to a mixer grinder jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Keep it aside for further use. For ginger garlic paste in a mortar pestle, add green chilies, garlic, ginger and grind it coarsely. Keep it aside for further use. For dhaba-style egg curry in a handi. Heat oil, add cumin seeds and let it splutter. Add prepared ginger garlic paste, onions and sauté it until golden in color. Add prepared paste and cook it for a while until thick. Add prepared masala and sauté it well. Add water, salt to taste, sautéed eggs, tomato, capsicum, dry fenugreek leaves and let it simmer for a while until cooked well. Finish it with some coriander leaves, egg yolk and rest it aside for a while. Transfer it to a serving dish and garnish it with coriander sprig. Serve hot with roti. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.